Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, Tuesday 19th of 2024. I'm Giovanni Benacourt, and this is a recording previous to the USA Open, which opens about an hour or so from now. So let's take a look at what the markets have been doing for this week. Yesterday we saw the market had actually did a little bit of a rebound after Friday's dip in the Nasdaq, and we have fluctuated above the 50-day moving average, but we did close below that. And today, even though we did open where we almost closed, and we did pick our head above that 20-day moving average of the Bollinger Bands, we are fluctuating to the downside. Our first level of support is going to be that 50-day moving average. And now, in regards to economic news coming out, well, we always understand that the Nvidia is going to be reporting tomorrow after the bell. So now Nvidia earnings could be more important for the wider market than the chip maker itself. Now there's potential for Nvidia's Wednesday report to take more wind out of the broad rally sparked by President-elect Donald Trump's win at the polls. Disappointing guidance could bring back nerves about elevated valuations, especially in the tech sector. So we will most likely see that fluctuation in the Nasdaq as well as the Dow, because that's where the Nvidia is listed. Now, if there is a problem, it's likely to be that there's so much demand for Nvidia's Blackwell chips that it can't ramp up supply fast enough. Especially if reported issues with overheating mean a redesign of the server's housing, the processors is needed. So we'll keep that in line. So obviously, because of that, we've seen some pullback, some retracement from yesterday's market fluctuation. But in overall, obviously, if we are to open right now, we'd be opening down. So that's the consensus. Opening down, so selling. Here we have the S&P 500, which is yesterday fluctuated. It just really bounced off that level of support that we're having. It did violate it. It did fluctuate below it, but it closed above it. It didn't break it. So therefore, we're just gonna have to lower our levels and let's just use this around this level. And what I'm looking for is that the level that I choose is able to cover as many candles past. So obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 so far back into the 21st of October, which is basically an entire month. So that area, this area, obviously is showing us that support could be there. Okay, so that's what we're gonna find out. So initially, obviously, trading to the downside. So selling, we have the second at the 50-day moving average for the S&P, the Dow Jones Industrial. So the Dow Jones Industrial is fluctuating to the downside. We're gonna be using that 20-day moving average of the Bollinger Band as our first level of support. So let's see if that will be where we find some support. So again, selling the indices at the beginning. Crude oil, okay, so we all know, we've all heard, we all read the news about what Biden just did for Ukraine and allowing them to use that long distance reach missiles. And obviously there's a lot of more and more rhetoric around, are we gonna fall into a third world war, and this is gonna be a nuclear war where nobody wants. So I mean, obviously there's a lot of, but obviously those things are uncertainty, geopolitical uncertainty, instability. So therefore, demand is gonna be there, obviously, also for one side. So I mean, the case is there to be bullish. So bullish. Initially, the 20-day moving average is going to be our level of resistance dynamically. I have mine set right above that, and the next one will be the 50-day moving average, which I have mine set right above that. We did yesterday fluctuate to that level of support, which is almost as near as the lower Bollinger Band. But let's see. I mean, throughout the opening, we have created a double top so far with today's fluctuation. But let's see if now it's another leg up in crude oil. So looking for longs, buying crude oil. Nat Gas, all right. So Nat Gas finally is making that move to the upside. We have opened the week with a tenacious gap up. So that gap up is going to be our direction of the market. So $3 by Friday, perhaps. We did open up with another gap up today, which has been closed. So let's keep that in mind. So as far as support, let's initially use that 270. Let's just use round numbers, okay? Initially, and then let's just use the lower fluctuation of yesterday as a second level of support. So buying that gas again, demand is going to be picking up. So there we go. But we have it. I mean, I've been speaking about Nat Gas, in my past videos to be long. Now gold. Okay, so gold has finally done a nice reversal. All right, bouncing off that Bollinger Band. We have fluctuated above that line of that trend line. So right now we are on our second level of resistance. So 2720 is going to be our second, and our first one is going to be that 20-day moving average. Initially, obviously, we're going to be using the 50-day moving average, which is right there as a dynamic level of resistance and support. All right, so we could use 2600, which is we've been seeing that in the past, and even though it's right there, but hey, let's just use that puppy, and let's just use this doji as our level of support right there. Okay, we have it here. All right, so cool. So here we are. Obviously, all this geopolitical uncertainty, and now with all this scenario about missiles and whatnot, hey, I believe gold is in a tier to continue to move higher. So silver, all right, silver, same token. I have been pretty bullish on silver, so I'm going to continue to be bullish on silver. So the second one is going to be that the 20-day moving average in the Bollinger Bands, and right smack at 3180 is going to be the second one. All right, so let's just use, as far as support, $31 for that puppy. I know it's very tight, it's very close, but let's just use that, and let's use a wider support for the second one. If it does break that first one, most likely will fluctuate to the downside. But overall, buying, being long, being bullish. Copper, okay, copper also looking to make a nice little move to the upside. I mean, it's an easy kind of, on this daily candlestick chart, we are looking at almost an ascending triangle, if you will. So we have here the top, then we could use this. So we are in the upper part of it. So I am assuming, speculating, sorry about that, we're going to continue to move to the upside. So being long, and I'm going to do the same levels. That 200-day moving average looks nice as a target. So by being long copper, buying copper, Bitcoin, both, hey, 100,000, 100K is around the way. It's around the corner. Will we reach 100K by Christmas? That'll be a nice Christmas gift, won't it? For all those cryptomaniacs. I mean, obviously, with Trump being in the White House now, and he is pro cryptos, he himself has a company, so obviously he's gonna want for Bitcoin to move higher and higher. So hey, be long, stay long, buy them dips. All right, the Euro's looking mighty. Oh, look at this. Oh, okay, so they kind of fluctuate below. So this fluctuation, after yesterday having a nice little move to the upside after doing this hammer, if you will, then the fluctuation has been equally for the last 3 days, 1, 2, 3, right? So therefore, there's a lot of pressure. There's a big battle going on in this asset, and I'm going to speculate that given the effect of what's happening with the US dollar, then we might start thinking that the dollar is going to start losing some ground, and then perhaps the currencies, the euro will find some ground, some more momentum to the upside, and reaching that 106 initially and fluctuate above that towards the 107. So I'm going to speculate being long euro. The pound seems to just also being almost doing the same fluctuation as the euro. So hey, why not stay in the direction of what the market is showing us, being long? Okay, being long. Also, this scenario about the long reach missiles for Ukraine that has been used already against Russia is going to damper the valuation or the momentum to the upside of the dollar index. And talking about the dollar index, let's see where it's at. So the dollar index is fluctuating to the downside. Okay, so since we are right there, let's just use 105.5. Okay, and as you see the dollar is drop, okay, we'll see the momentum to the upside on the currencies and the metals, and also on other commodities. That's it for me today. Have a great trading day. I'll see you tomorrow.